Question number 1. Considering the progress made by PBs in furthering financial inclusion and with the objective of giving more flexibilities to the PB, it has been decided to enhance the limit of maximum balance at the end of the day from 1 lakh to dash lakh per individual customer of PBs with immediate effect. PB in the sense public sector bank. Maximum limit is enhanced to answer 2 lakhs from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. Second question, with the effective from 1 January 2020, all business entities with the turnover of rupees dash are required to provide digital payment facility. Answer, rupees 50 crore and above. Third question, with the effective from 1 January 2020, all business entities with a specified turnover are required to provide digital payment facility. If they fail to do so, they will have to pay a fine of dash rupees 5,000 per day fine. Fourth question, power of attorney is in writing, executed in the presence of notary and is stamped as per Stamp Act of the state. If it is executed outside India, it should be executed before High Commissioner in Indian Embassy and should be stamped in India within dash months of its receipt. Answer, 3 months. Who among the following bears the exchange fluctuation risk for the foreign currency in respect of foreign currency non-resident bank's account? Answer, respective banks, that is concerned banks. Minimum amount of a certificate of deposit that could be accepted from a single subscriber should not be less than rupees dash lakh and in multiples of rupees dash lakh thereafter. Answer A, rupees 1 lakh and in multiples of rupees 1 lakh. Minimum 1 lakh and in multiples of 1 lakh. Eighth question, in Basel III, the term supplementary capital or gone concern capital represents which of the following? Answer, tied to capital funds. Supplementary capital is also tied to capital funds. Gone concern capital is also tied to capital funds. Ninth question, in a limited company, a check was issued by one of the directors of ABC company. The check is presented for payment after the death of its director. In this situation, what the bank will do from the following? Answer B, bank can pay the check as the company is still legally competent entity and the director has signed as agent of the company. 10th question, what is the minimum value of stock of gold coins, bullion and foreign securities which RBI has to maintain at any point of time against issue of currency? Answer, rupees 11,500 crores, that is 115 crores. Operating profits in bank's profit and loss account refer to what? Answer, profit before provisions and contingencies. PSB Alliance doorstep banking service has been launched to customers of all public sector banks through common platform under supervision of IBA. Two vendors, that is Atyadi Tech Private Limited and Dash shall provide end-to-end process solutions including manpower for service delivery. Two companies selected, one is Atyadi Tech Private Limited and another company name is Integra Microsystems Private Limited. These two companies will provide doorstep banking services to all the public sector banks. In case of a failed ATM transaction, account debited but cash not dispensed, time limit to recredit the amount in the account fixed by RBI is T plus 5 days. As per provisions of which of the following the nominated bank gets a period of dash days to verify the documents drawn under a documentary credit? Answer: UCPDC norms, 5 days. An exporter wants to open a EEFC account to deposit exchange earnings. The account can be opened as dash. Answer: current account. Thank you friends. Please share, subscribe and like my videos.